How to calculate the calories your body needs by yourself. I know there are many applications which are useful, but calculating your calories by yourself is more accurate. And in order to make sure that these applications work well, then let's start. Dr. Marin for Nutrition Awareness. First of all, you need to calculate RMR, which stands for Rest Metabolic Rate. This means the energy your body needs at rest. In order your heart to pump blood needs energy. Your kidney to perform its function needs energy. Even the food you eat in order to be digested and absorbed needs energy. So you need to calculate the RMR first. Then how can it be calculated? It can be calculated by Harris-Benedict equation. It was discovered by two scientists. The first one called James Harris, but unfortunately, I haven't found any picture next to him. The second one called Franz Benedict, and published in 1919 by Carnegie Institution of Washington. This equation depends only on three variables, which are height in centimeter, weight in kilogram, and age in years. Then you can put these variables in the equations that appear to you on the screen, one equation for male and another for female. The result will be the RMR, Rest Metabolic Rate. Then, does the result from this equation stand for the energy you need throughout your day? No, I've just informed you that RMR only stands for the energy your body needs at rest. Then you need to add the energy your body consumes to perform its physical activities throughout the day. Then how it can be added? You multiply the rest metabolic rate RMR, which is the result from Harris-Benedict equation, by physical activity factor, which refers to the physical activity you do throughout your day. And the result will be the calories your body needs to maintain body weight. Physical activity factor is categorized in 5 categories. First, sedentary. When you don't play any sport, you only go to work and return from work, go to the supermarket. You multiply RMR here by 1.2. Second, light exercise. You only exercise from 1 to 3 days in a week. You multiply RMR by 1.3. Third, moderate exercise. You exercise for about 3 to 5 days a week. And here you multiply RMR by 1.5. Fourth, heavy exercise. When you exercise from 6 to 7 days a week. Here you multiply RMR by 1.7. Fifth, very heavy exercise. When you exercise twice daily, such as bodybuilders at a specific time in their preparation, they need to exercise twice daily. Here, you multiply RMR by 1.9, and the result from this multiplication will be the calories you need throughout your day to maintain body weight. So, if you want to lose your body weight, you need to decrease these calories, and if you want to increase your body weight, you need to increase these calories. So, you have learned how to calculate your calories by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe me for new nutrition tips, and if you want to ask anything about nutrition, just direct message me, and I will be always available for you. You will find the links in the description. Goodbye.